Remove non-switch side of case, as in the tire change side, but also remove the 6 screws on the other side. Disconnect all switches. Carefully lift up the wheel and prop it up with a screwdriver. Remove all screws on both battery covers. If the blue wire is present on the charging wires, cut it. It is not necessary. If the new battery charging wire has a different plug, it will be necessary to cut it and solder the old plug to the new battery. Remove the old battery and install the new battery in its place. Install both covers running the motor cable along the side of the battery, leaving about 10 centimeters of cable between the motor and the battery cover. Before lowering the wheel, be sure that the cable runs up and over the frame and does not come out on the side. Lower the motor carefully and do not use excessive pressure. If it will not drop in, then check the cable's placement. When the motor is seated in the case, install one screw into the frame. You may have to lift slightly and reseat the motor to get the hole to line up. After the screw is in place, use a multimeter to test that the 2 main battery cables have no connectivity. This will ensure that the cable has not been cut or pinched. Reconnect all wires and check that the Solowheel powers up. You may now reassemble the wheel as shown in the tire changing video.